In the next set of questions, we'll graph linear equations. Graph f of x equals negative 3x plus 4. This is written in slope-intercept form, and we can read the slope and the y-intercept directly from the equation, then use that information to draw the graph. The slope is the number multiplied by the x, so the slope will be negative 3, which we can write as negative 3 over 1. And the y-intercept will be 0, 4. We get that from the 4 in the negative 3x plus 4. What we can do now is graph the point 0, 4, and then count off a slope of negative 3. That would be a rise of negative 3, which means we move down 3 units, and a run of 1, which means we move to the right 1 unit. So we count down 3 units, 1, 2, 3, to the right 1 unit, and that's another point that's going to be on the line. We can do this again to get a third point, starting here now, and count down 3 units to the right 1 unit, and make another point. And now all we have to do is draw a line that goes through those 3 points, and using a straight edge gives us a nice graph. We have now the graph of the function, and we can label it f of x equals negative 3x plus 4.